So what we just did was go from a Boolean expression to a circuit. And you can go the other way. You can start with a circuit and then figure out what the Boolean expression is. Let's go ahead. We know what this is, but let's go ahead and do it and see if we come up with the right result. So what you do is you go to each output and you start at the beginning and move through them one at a time, and to write down what you get. So coming out of here is an X. That took longer than I had hoped. I hope I get faster. And then out of here goes Y. Sure enough, that's faster. And then coming out of here is Z. All right, so there's our values coming out of there. Then if we do that, what's coming out of here? So we put a label here. Well, that's the complement of X, right? So that's X complement because we've gone through that NOT gate. And what's coming out of here? That's going to be the complement of Y. So it's gone through that NOT gate. And then the next one is this OR gate. So what's coming out of that? Well, it's based on those input. It's complement X or complement Y. So the way we say that is complement X or Y. Okay, and that plus is that OR gate. So that's what's coming out of there. Okay, so what we have left is this OR gate. So let's see what that's going to have. On one side, what we have is, I'm going to put this in parentheses, we have the complement of X plus the complement of Y. And then on the other side, and it's an OR gate, so it's going to be a plus. And coming in on the other side is a Z. All right, so that's what we have. And let's go ahead and compare that to what we had. We'll just slide that up there. So notice that they're really similar. They are a little bit different, right? The order in the one we figured out from the circuit, the parentheses come first and then it's added to the Z. And the way we originally had it was Z added to what was in parentheses. And that's really just that commutative law, right? So we know if we're adding something together, we can swap the order of them and it's the same thing. So it's really the same expression. It's just that they come in a different order, which doesn't change the value of it all. So we were able to start with a circuit and come up with an expression. And we are also able to start with an expression and come up with a circuit. So we can go either way. They both express exactly the same Boolean function.